Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable Siri on your iPhone 15. So in your iPhone 15, go to the settings. Now scroll down or use the search bar at the top and simply type in Siri, just like this. Okay, now you can see Siri is coming, or you can simply scroll down and go to the Siri and search here. Alright, now at the top you can see Ask Siri option is given. Right now it is disabled. You can simply toggle the switch at the top and click on Enable Siri. Okay, now you need to set up the Siri. Now I'm going to click on cancel. So you're going to set it up properly. It will ask you to read some messages so that it will get your voice. So whenever you say hey Siri or you press the side button, then Siri will open and you can ask anything, or you can actually give it commands to open anything on your iPhone. It can also make calls, write messages, and so many things. Okay, so this is how easily you can do it. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.